Oh, how's it going, guys? Today I want to do a review on this one of these eBay electric chainsaws I went and picked up. See if I can get you in the view here. Whatever. Alright, I ordered this thing, tax, shipping, and everything to where I live. It costed 90 bucks. It's got two 20-volt batteries. It uses both of them at the same time. See, I thought when I ordered it, like, this was a holder, and this is where it used battery. No, it uses both batteries, so it's actually either 40 volt or parallel 20 volt. Whatever. It's got an actual aluminum gearbox on here. It's a 16-inch bar, and it was supposed to come with the 16-inch bar and two chains, two batteries. It come with a saw wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. In the description it says it's got a chain brake. This chain brake that's on here don't actually do nothing. It's just screwed straight to this metal bar. You can see right here, it doesn't. There's no chain brake. Whatever, it seems to work alright. Not as fast as I thought it was gonna be, but you know, and it's got your, on this side you got your chain tensioner. But yeah, like I said, I ordered it eBay. It come in, the bar was missing out of the box. I said, what the heck? I messaged people, I didn't get no message back. So whatever, I went and dug in the shed, and I just so happened to have this working bar that fit just perfect with the chains that come with. So I put one of the chains on. I think the chains are really cheap, made like some kind of wish metal or freaking just cheap necklace metal or something, because I cut like one piece of wood with it and it's already getting dull. So you might want to, if you order one, I think the motor and stuff's gonna be A1. I ordered it because, you know, I seen that it had like a metal gearbox on here, the iron gearbox, and I was like, because every electric chainsaw I ever had that plugged in, they worked good for a while, then the gears strip out. So I'm hoping that this one has steel gears, and I'm hoping that the oil that you put in the bar oils the gears, and that would make sense, because, you know, everything's going to this new electric stuff. But I cut a pretty good sized dry oak log with it, and it seemed to work. I'll try to get the camera and go out here to where we was cutting firewood, and I'll shoot a part of that and show y'all how good it'll cut. But alright, let's get out there and do that. Definitely don't like knots. I said it don't like knots. Ooh. Oh man, well that happened. Got a stick stuck up underneath there. Let me stop the camera and go get that. Alright, I got the stick out. I'll go back to work here. Well, my chain came loose after I got that stick in there, and now it's freaking self-destructing. Well, I think it's more operator error than it is the chainsaw, but y'all see what happened. It jumped off the side, and where it jumped off the edge because it got loose, and jumped off the back side of the dang sprocket thing back up in here where it turns. Guess I'll go fix it again and come back. Alright, I'm back again. I had to take the side off and it got jammed up in there, but I don't think it's nothing wrong with the saw. I just think I bumped the chain or something. But usually I've ran chainsaws with loose chains and never had that much trouble. But let me turn over here to this stick. See if that'll work. Well, okay, been having a little trouble with the GoPro here, but yeah, okay, the thing was I was trying to see how long these two batteries last, because they say they last like 3 hours, and I don't know if that's like continuous run or like cutting speed with a fast person or like a home use person, but whatever, it's lasted a good while here. Longer than I thought, because I've used other cordless stuff and you get like 2 cuts done and then she'll die out on you. But I'm gonna spin around and we're gonna try to cut something big with it, like this log I got over here, and I'll get over here a little closer and let's see if the battery will last long enough to cut through that one. And then we'll call it the end of the video here. I ain't gonna cut this whole edge off. I'm just gonna take a slice off the end because I don't want it to fall on the ground. Well, you cut it off there and it still got plenty of battery power. So I'm guessing I'll do pretty good. It actually has more power once you actually get a load on it. I thought it was going to bog down, but I guess it's got some kind of thing that gives it more juice or something. Maybe second battery kicks in. Alrighty, everybody like and subscribe, and I hope you like my little video. I couldn't find one on this saw. And thank you for the channel and all that. Peace out.